I'm back yet again. So, today is episode 2 of Blockchain with Cats, and today we are going to talk about the blockchain trilemma. Now, what is a blockchain trilemma? Remember the kitty diary we talked about last time? So, this kitty diary has some rules which it needs to follow. Now, these rules get into conflict amongst themselves, and this exactly is called a trilemma. Trilemma is a situation when three qualities of this diary can't work at a single time together. It means these three things can't work together in a single chain. Now, let's see what the three things actually are. So, in our diary, we have the three properties, that is, scalability, decentralization, and security. What is decentralization? Exactly like in our last video, we discussed it. There is no alpha cat that controls the working of the diary. And what does security mean? It means that no cat can make any extra scratches in the diary. And the scratches that are made before will not be changed, and it cannot be changed by any other cat. Once it's written right there. Scalability. So, what does scalability mean? Scalability in our case means that no matter how many cats are doing the transactions at a single time, the more the cats, the more the chain needs itself to be strong. It means that this diary needs to be strong enough that all the cats can write in it. And that's how scalability works. Now, you might be thinking, these chains, how do they offer properly? Like, how does this trilemma get treated? Well, trilemma does not get solved and it is just managed. For example, in case of Ethereum, the scalability sort of is compromised. Ethereum works really good with decentralization and the security. On the other hand, Solana is faster. It means it is very scalable, as well as the security purpose is really nice. However, there are some places where the decentralization is slightly compromised. Now, all these chains have different ways to maintain how this working happens, and that's how they manage the trilemma. A little bit of English lesson. Dilemma basically means when you are not able to choose between two things. Trilemma, on the other hand, means there are three things and they can't be functioning, they can't function together, like all the three things. If two things are working together, they are working together, and the other thing, it will be compromised slightly. All right. So, like in my diagram, the green box. Inside the green box, you can see that the two functions can be there. However, one function will be compromised, and that's how our kitty diary works, and that's how blockchain is in the cat terminology.